loves, it is your girl Katrina, also known as Princess Kaae, and I'm here at the Morphe Studios, and I'm going to be shooting a really fun look for you guys using the Just a Crush 9J palette. So if you want to see what we create, then go ahead and keep on watching. So I already went ahead and primed my lid, so we're going to go right into this look. It's going to be something very simple that is really easy to do. So this is the Just a Crush 9J palette. I love these palettes because they're perfect to just take with you. I travel a lot, so this is just the perfect size to just put in my makeup bag and be on the way. This is just like a cute travel size. So this is a palette we're going to be using today. So the first color that we're going to use is First Kiss, and we're going to be using a Morphe M441 brush. We're going to go straight into this look. It's going to be very in your face and very vibrant. So we're gonna go right into the crease. We're really gonna build up on this color though, because this is really gonna be like the signature color of this look. And you always want to take your time too when you're like blending out colors. You don't have to rush. And we are gonna be doing a cut crease, so we are just going to wing this outwards a little bit. And I love how there's no fallout either. That's always like a plus. So the next color that we're gonna go into is Make a Move, and this color really is just to deepen it up a little bit, and we're really just gonna focus this directly in the crease, but also making sure to blend it upwards into the Just a Kiss color. And also, just like the other color, we are going to bring it outwards. Just really quick to make sure that nothing is looking harsh, we're going to take a brush that doesn't have anything on it. This is a Morphe M433 brush, and we are just going to light-handedly kind of just like blur out the first color that we use, just to make sure that nothing is harsh. It's blending right into the brow bone. So now we're gonna go ahead and cut our crease. So concealer, I'm gonna be using the Morphe Fluidity Concealer. This is in the shade C445. And then to carve out the cut crease, my favorite brush. This brush makes doing cut creases, halo eyes, or any precise type of eyeshadow look, it just makes it so easy. This is the Morphe M224 brush. So we are gonna go right into our concealer. And what I like to do is honestly just stamp it. And this is gonna be the base for your cut crease. And you really don't even have to do much. Really just place the brush, and the brush kind of just does everything for you. And then we are going to bring out our cut crease. And kind of focusing on the edge of the brush, that's really what's gonna define the cut crease. And then connect them. So taking another Morphe M224 brush, we're gonna go into the color Butterflies, and we're gonna apply that over top of the cut crease that we just carved out. So before we do that, we are going to spray our brush with our Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Just a couple little sprays, and then we're gonna go right into that color. So what I like to do sometimes, if it does transfer up, we're gonna take a small brush. This is the Morphe 326 brush. We are going to kind of drench it to make it really wet. And then we're gonna go back into the Butterflies color and really just kind of define the cut crease and kind of make it sharp. And just to define it a little bit more, we're gonna take a Morphe 506 brush, and we're gonna go back into the Make a Move color and just lightly kind of just define the cut crease a little bit more, make it pop, make it stand out. So to take this look up 20 notches, we're gonna be using Acid Rain, and this is in the color Raver. And then we're gonna be using a Morphe 250-1 brush. We're just going to outline kind of the cut crease. Let me move my hair so you guys can see, so you guys can witness. Oh, I'm obsessed. This literally just made the look 10 times better. So just really quick, I'm gonna do my mascara and pop on some lashes, and we'll be back to work on the bottom lash line. So now that we applied our lashes, we're gonna work on the bottom lash line. We're gonna go back into the color First Kiss, and we're gonna be using another Morphe 326 brush. And we're really gonna concentrate this color on our bottom lash line. Ooh, so pretty. So before we finish this look off, we are going to finish off the eyes. We are going to be using a Morphe M506 brush, and we are going to go into the color Glance just to give us the final pop for this eye look, okay? So for the lips, we're going to be using a combination of Heckle and a Groupie. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look using the Just a Crush 9J palette. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope to see you guys recreate this look. You can go ahead and shop all of the Morphe products on Morphe.com or in stores. But thank you so much for tuning in, and I cannot wait to see you guys in another video. Bye!